Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesdays once again, and we're keeping it summery. We're doing a green papaya salad, Somtam style. First things first, you just want to pierce your Thai red chilies. These are bird-eyed chilies, really hot. In Thailand, you probably use about 10 of these, but we've just got 3 in here. It's still going to be spicy, but not overpowering. Roughly chop your garlic straight into the pestle and mortar. I always say that your pestle and mortar is by far the most important bit of equipment in Thai cooking. We're going to pound this whole salad through to get all that flavour into the salad. Just go straight into that garlic, make that garlic into a sort of paste. Careful with the chilies, don't overbreak the chilies. Now we're starting to build up the flavour in the pestle and mortar itself. Next up, your cherry tomatoes. Again, straight into the pestle and mortar. Don't forget your dried shrimp. That will add a nice savoury base to the dressing. Juice of 1 lime. Give it a good squeeze. I like to use my hands for this. You want to balance that lime juice out with some sweet, so natural sweet from palm sugar. About 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. Give that a good push through. Now we've got that natural sweet sour flavour from your lime, your palm sugar. You want to bring some savoury and saltiness into it. So your classic Thai fish sauce. Always good to add your fish sauce by taste. I'm going for 1 to 1.5 tablespoons first. I think it needs a bit more saltiness, so let's add an extra tablespoon. Now keep pounding through or just pushing into that sauce, getting all the flavour from the tomatoes and the dressing together. I've got some blanched green beans here. They've just been blanched, boiled in water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Again, straight into the pestle and mortar. I want to sort of bruise these green beans up a little. And that just should allow all the flavour to get soaked into the veg itself. And green papaya is a great ingredient. It's got that nice sweet sour flavour and a crunch, almost like green apple or Granny Smith apples. But it's got a smoother finish to it, which is why it's so fantastic for a salad like this. Finally, matchstick your green papaya. And add that to your pestle and mortar. Push into it with your green beans and fold that dressing through. Get all that flavour, that sweet, sour, salty, spicy balance into your vegetables. Lastly, for a little bit of colour, some julienne or finely matchstick carrots. Mix that all together, a little bit more pounding, and you're pretty much there, ready to serve up. Now you could serve this on a nice pretty plate, but I actually quite like the rustic feel of serving it straight in with our pestle and mortar. Just garnish with a little bit of toasted peanuts, and then you're ready to tuck in. Kick of spice, and that perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, spicy. That's the epitome of Thai food for me. Brings me back to the Bangkok streets. If you like this type of recipe and you want to know more, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more food just like this, subscribe to our channel and keep the suggestions coming.